Ever wondered if we're alone in the universe? For centuries, Earth was the only planet we knew for sure orbited a star like our sun. But guess what? We now know that planets are actually incredibly common. These planets orbiting other stars are called exoplanets or extrasolar planets. So what exactly are exoplanets? Simply put, they are planets that orbit stars outside of our own solar system. Think of our sun as just one star in a vast city of stars, our Milky Way galaxy. And many of those stars, just like our sun, have their own families of planets. The discovery of exoplanets is relatively recent. The first confirmed exoplanet orbiting a sun-like star was only found in 1995. Since then, thousands have been discovered, and we're finding new ones all the time. How do we even find planets orbiting stars that are light years away? It's not like we can just see them directly with telescopes like we see planets in our solar system. Stars are incredibly bright and planets are comparatively tiny and faint. Scientists use clever indirect methods. Two of the most common are the transit method and the radial velocity method. Transit method. Imagine a tiny ant walking across a giant spotlight. If you're watching the spotlight's brightness, you'd see a tiny dip when the ant passes in front. That's kind of how the transit method works. When an exoplanet passes in front of its star, from our point of view, it causes a tiny dip in the star's light. Telescopes like Kepler and TESS are designed to detect these tiny dips in brightness. Radial velocity method now. Imagine you and a friend are holding hands and spinning in a circle. You both wobble a little bit, right? Stars and planets do the same thing. A planet's gravity tugs on its star, causing the star to wobble slightly. The radial velocity method detects these tiny wobbles by measuring changes in the star's light spectrum. What kinds of exoplanets are out there? Well, it turns out the universe is full of surprises. We found hot Jupiters, gas giants like Jupiter, but orbiting incredibly close to their stars, making them scorching hot. We've found super-Earths, rocky planets larger than Earth but smaller than Neptune. And we've even found rogue planets wandering through space without a star. But the most exciting question is, are any of these exoplanets habitable? Could they support life? Scientists are actively searching for exoplanets in the habitable zone of their stars, the region where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. Liquid water is considered essential for life as we know it. The search for habitable exoplanets is one of the most thrilling frontiers in astronomy today. With missions like the James Webb Space Telescope, we are getting closer than ever to characterizing exoplanet atmospheres and potentially finding signs of life beyond Earth. The discovery of exoplanets has revolutionized our understanding of the universe. It shows us that planets are not rare cosmic accidents, but rather a fundamental part of star systems throughout the galaxy. And who knows what amazing discoveries await us as we continue to explore these distant worlds. Stay curious and keep looking up.